Are you ready to enter the recipient's details? If you have more than one item in your cart, you will be offered an option to send the gifts to multiple recipients. Please keep in mind that this is only possible if the recipients are located at the same address. If you need to send gifts to 2 or more recipients at different addresses, separate orders have to be created. If you have more than 3 gifts to order, you may want to check out our bulk order form. It's quick and easy to use. Simply download it from the top right-hand side of our website or underneath the description of any gift. First of all, please enter the name of your recipient or recipients. Then, the desired delivery date. Usually we require 1 to 3 business days to deliver a gift, but the amount of time needed for delivery can vary depending on the location. The country of delivery is set automatically based on the country catalog you were using to place the order. Then, enter the recipient's details, such as the delivery location type, the delivery address, the recipient's phone number and email. Please keep in mind that we require a phone number for the recipient in order to guarantee a smooth delivery. If you don't have the recipient's address, don't worry. Please choose the I don't have the recipient's address tab, submit the recipient's contact information, and our support team will verify the necessary delivery details with the recipient on your behalf. Please note that we require 1 to 3 business days, depending on the destination, to deliver your gift after we have reached the recipient to obtain the delivery address. Regardless of whether you have the recipient's address or not, please make sure to specify the recipient's working local phone number or email address. This way, our team will be able to contact your recipient for address validation or delivery verification. Below the recipient's information, please enter your own contact details: your full name, the name of the company if you're ordering a corporate gift, your phone number, and email address. Usually, we update our customers on completed deliveries via email. However, upon your request, we will also notify you about it via text message. Tick the box right under your personal phone number field and make sure to provide your mobile number, including the country code. For example, for the US and Canada, the numbers must start with a 1, for France, with 33. As soon as you've filled out the delivery form, click the Continue to Checkout button to proceed to the next page, where you can write your greeting card message and provide delivery instructions.